Here we're talking about multiplying mixed numbers. And when we multiply mixed numbers, there's a process that we have to do. We cannot just multiply a mixed number times a mixed number. We actually have to take the denominator and multiply it by our whole number, and then we add the numerator. So it's 4 times 3, which is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. And then we take that and we put it over our denominator. So now we have 15 fourths. And we copy the multiply sign, and we follow the same process for the second number. We take the denominator, we multiply the whole number, 5 times 2, which is 10, and then we add the numerator, 10 plus 4, which is 14. 14 fifths. And then from a previous lesson, we remember that we can do some canceling here, or we can look at our cross products actually, which will help us when we get to our answer. So as you can see, I have 5 and I have 15. Well, 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 15 3 times. So now what I'm doing is 3 times 14. I can't do that in my head, so I go over to this area here. 14 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12, carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So my numerator is 42, and I have, from my denominator, 4 times 1 is 4. So now I have this improper fraction, 42 fourths. And if you remember, this line means divide. 42 divided by 4. So I have to do that. 42 divided by 4. 4 goes into 4 one whole time, so I'll subtract that 4 out. I have 0. I bring down the 2. 4 cannot go into this 2, so it goes in 0 times. I have to put this 0 here as a placeholder over here. And so this is a remainder, so I make it a little 2 over 4. And so right now I have 10 and 2 fourths. Well, I know that this fraction I need to make in lowest terms, or I can simplify it. So what I do is I copy my whole number, I have 10, and I know from previous examples and problems that 2 fourths is the same as 1/2. So our final answer is 10 and a half.